What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to showcase some of my personal results with Pinterest, where in the last 30 days I've received over 10,000 visitors to my website from Pinterest. And this is a huge milestone. A lot of people struggle when it comes to getting traffic from Pinterest, and I've been able to reach this milestone by basically following steps that I share in other videos. I'll also leave relevant links below this video so you can get started with it, kind of like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step process. It's not something that I invented. I just copy people that are doing really well and just applying their strategy. But you may also be wondering, why is 10,000 visitors such a big deal when it comes to Pinterest? Well, Pinterest traffic isn't easy to come by to begin with. But the second thing to understand is Pinterest traffic is actually considered more valuable than other sources of traffic. And I've actually got the numbers to prove it. So here you are looking at a report of ads that run on my website, because the traffic that comes from Pinterest leads people to this particular website. And depending on where the traffic comes from, the ads that run on my website, they pay me for every visitor that sees these ads. But not every source of original traffic where they come to from my website pays the same. And if we look at the RPM breakdown, which is how much they pay for every 1,000 visitors, Google pays $33. Direct traffic is just, it's a bit of a nuanced term, pays $16.53. Facebook pays $22. But look at this, Pinterest pays way more than any of these other sources over here. So Pinterest traffic is considered to be more valuable than any of these other sources. And I would also say it's good for affiliate marketing as well. You can really find some really good search intent traffic, and I've gotten a few sales that I do think are coming from Pinterest. But the point being is, in the last 30 days I've actually been able to make this much from just 10,000 visitors. Whereas here I'm actually getting more visitors, because you can see by sessions over here it's 44,000. Here it's actually 8,000. It's not adjusted to this particular number here, but the point being is proportionally it doesn't even come close. Pinterest pays the most. So in my personal experience and opinion, it's really important to take the time to grow your Pinterest exposure through your website, through choosing a subject that is very popular. I also share the tools that I use. So for example, the great ones are Image Studio, there's Canva, there's other ones as well. But the thing is, it's about being consistent with Pinterest. Among other things, finding popular keywords that are very search intended, very specific, that also do have volume, but creating content on that, creating boards and pins that target that keyword, and just really staying consistent with that. Again, the resource below this video is just going to help you do that in a 1, 2, 3 step process if you're just a beginner, or if you are perhaps down the line someone that's had a Pinterest account for a while and you're kind of struggling with getting traffic. This will really help you adjust, because for me personally, I didn't just start off with these numbers. I've had traffic from Pinterest for years, but it's only recently climbed over 10,000 in the last 30 days, and it's still going up. So clearly this is working. So that's just what I wanted to share with you, give you some motivation on this subject. If you have any questions, let me know. But as usual, I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.